In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow to text here on Canva Mobile. So to do that, we're going to need to select some text. So I'm going to add the drop shadow to this new text. So I tap on that and then come down here to the bottom and I can scroll over until I see effects. Inside of effects, I'm going to have some options here. And there's different options regarding drop shadow. Like there's this lift or this shadow. I think you probably want to go with the shadow option. It's kind of like a standard drop shadow. Now, if we tap on that again, we're going to be able to see all the different options of the shadow that we're adding. So the offset. So as we click and drag that, you can see how it offsets more or less. You can adjust the direction, which way is the shadow going. Sorry about the glitchiness here. You can also adjust the blur of the shadow. And so we can make it really blurry or a lot less blurry, and also adjust the transparency of the shadow, for instance. So if we just wanted to see it a little bit, we could tap on here, just a little bit of transparency. We can also change the color of the drop shadow. So right now it's the color of the text itself, but we could change that to any color that we want. And then once we have that, we can just exit out of there. You can see here that we now have this new drop shadow added to this piece of text. So you can really adjust the shadow however you want to add drop shadows to your text here in Canva Mobile.